All right, so Jason and I, we made it, guys. We are here. Sucks, man. I forgot my 4 minutes. Yeah, I forgot my camera. But we are here at Santa Monica Airport, and our time is at 10 o'clock, and it's 10 o'clock now. So here we go, guys. See all the other cars here.
Starting at $69,500. If you go with the HSE model, it's $80,500, and if you go with the first edition upgrades, you're looking at $85,900.
Is that first edition like a limited edition run type thing, or?
It's not limited because you can order it. I mean, you can order that. You can order right now. There's no set number of what you can get. Yeah, there's no, no number.
That's it? All right. All right, so Jason's going to be doing this course right here where you're going to be going through the lights. If it's green, you have to go between those two cones. And ones are the next cone. The next cone, and red, of course, is when it's over. And then they have a time. There's a time.
All right, we're ready. What's your name?
Board up there. It's going to go here.
Right over here. Alrighty.
And he's going to go ahead and get on this I-Pace right here. Yeah, I think you're a P1.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, P1.
You did a really good job. Are we ready to move on to our next experience?
Yes.
Fantastic. Let's go this way.
All right, so we are now going to be taking a photo with the I-Pace in there. So we get to pose, and we showed you in that screen earlier. It's going to have the 360 effect on. Yeah, we already have our pose, so you guys will find out what it is, man.